Hey, what's up? Check out what I got today. It's my Princess Mononoke puzzle, and I can't wait to open it. Here's our package. Shadow just left. Oh my gosh. Wow! I love puzzles, first of all. I love the frustration of them. It's a lot of trial and error. I'm so excited. And I'm gonna put it on the wall. It's recording? This part's just the unwrapping part. There's a den.
We're gonna get like a frame for it, right?
Check this out. I love puzzles. So glad Kai can join me for this one. Look at that! He comes with the glue! Definitely feels like about 1,000 pieces. Maybe 999, but let's hope not. And look, you got the squeegee thingy. And we have this form. I have no idea what it says. It's in Japanese. Let's start!
Is it cheating if the two pieces are already attached to each other?
Yes, take it apart. Hey everybody, I'm gonna put closed captions on this because everyone loves closed captions. Nice.
Wow.
Okay. Kai says it's a bad idea. We've only been going for like 30 minutes. I'm starting to get the title right there. We're having a late night snack.
Yeah.
Hey everyone, you gotta stay hydrated. Drink water. There you go. Hey Shadow. It's 111.
It's like this is gonna be easy. Wolf is not gonna be easy. Oh no.
It's okay. It's a challenge. I've been making a lot of progress. Thanks, Kai. Dad is sleeping. He's my support system. So I'd say we're about 5% there. Okay, I'll keep you updated. Kai's still working. About maybe 7%. Maybe 5% still. Things just blend together. Got the whole bottom. There's a whole chunk over there that I have no idea what goes together. Kai's still working. Wow, that looks harder than our puzzle. Look who decided to join me. The first 2 layers are just pure white. The next layer will have a hint of gray at the tip.
Marble. It's natural and artificially flavored.
Did you finish the border? Looks complete to me. Congrats, Kai.
Not.
Gonna call it a night.
Shadow destroyed my bed again.
Progress. Woohoo! And we're watching the movie too, just for, you know, the experience.
Yeah. Plus,
Kai completed the hardest part.
I think the rock is easier.
No,
Look at this part.
but the rock is the hardest part because it's a rock,
It is a rock.
so it's hard.
It is hard.
How's it going?
Bad. I think I finished all the easy pieces here.
It looks pretty darn complete to me.
Hey, thanks.
Kai's been doing all the work, and I've just been, you know, coding.
The red dot means record, right?
Is it? You can adjust it with the...
Yeah, I got it. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Goes right here. Oh. I really thought...
How embarrassing. How do you feel?
Turn off the camera. Alright, let's get some key lime pie.
Let's go. How do
And
you
Chamber of
stop this?
Secrets.
Yeah, how do you stop?
Hey Shadow, you wanna help? Nice.
You have to say for yourself.
I filled in this blue sky here and getting into the background tree trunks. Kai did all this rough here. I did the sky. We're watching Chowder. And we're having a good time. That is not it. That is it. Woohoo! These veggie chips. Test snacks for the curious. Which is true because we didn't know what these would taste like when my mom saw it at Costco. We were curious about it. We're officially at 20 pieces left. 20 out of 1,000. So we've already connected 1,980.
980.
980 pieces. 9.
That's 10. The number that goes after 9 is 10.
9. 9. 8. 0. We're at 12 more pieces, everybody. Quick math. 1,000 minus 12 equals 988. We have 6 pieces, everybody. Okay, got it. Oh my God. Here, you get this one.
That's what a grass smells.
Oh my God. Also, what Kai and I did like 2 years ago. Also 1,000 pieces. This is our 3rd puzzle together. So we're gonna glue this.
Wow, if you glue it, like the colors pop.
Wow. Next day, we got a frame. So Kai already went home. I just forgot to take a final video. I put it up above my bed, ignore the baby pictures, and now it's just officially there. Yeah, there it is. I think it looks pretty darn good. It's not centered, so I know. It was very fun to make, and I look forward to the next puzzle. Stay safe, everyone.